Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. Some of you have followed me for years, and if you've been following me for years, you know that 2020 has been a ride. Ik wil niet nu al janken, Jezus.
Maakt niet uit. Hey, het komt zoals het komt. Laat het gewoon even gaan en dan herpak je wanneer je wil. Rustig aan.
In these years, I got to do some of the most amazing things, but also shared my darkest days with you. And I can tell you today is one of those dark days. A couple of days ago, Dylan and I were part of one of my worst nightmares. We were robbed at gunpoint at our own home. And even though I can't tell you too much because there's still a very ongoing investigation, I do want to let you know that I'm okay. I may not look like I'm okay right now, but I'm okay. Having one of those worst nightmares come true is very surreal, but it also puts a lot of things in perspective. Now more than ever, you realize that family is everything. And being in good health is even more important. So maybe one day I'll be able to tell you everything, but right now it's impossible for my mental state, but also for the law, because we're trying to do everything to make this right. One of the silver linings in my life, now here we go, this is gonna sound so cliche, has always been makeup. And that's one thing I won't let them take away from me, is my love for makeup. So I bought a Barbie. Makeup has helped me through my darkest days, losing my little brother, more stuff happening in my personal life. Makeup has always been that one thing that I could do to clear my mind, focus on some other stuff. It is literally therapy to me. Every time I had one of those dark days, I had you there to support me, and you have been there for me so much. I can't thank you enough for the messages I've seen on Twitter, on Instagram, everywhere. And knowing that there's such a huge group of people out there who are rooting for us, who are loving us, who are wishing us nothing but the best, thank you. Honestly, thank you. So today, enough tears. We'll save that for later. I really want to get my mind off of things. And they say Barbies have no feelings, and I am in the mood for no feelings. So let's go. All right, so for today's video, I've been seeing these color reveal Barbies everywhere. I think the first time I saw it was on TikTok, and this girl was like collecting these, and she needed one more, and then she had a complete collection, and it gave me an idea. Now, if someone has done this idea, clearly I've not been in the loop the last couple of days, so if anyone has done this, please comment down below so we can give a proper shout out. So there's this girl, this girl, this girl, this girl, and this girl. And what this is, it's a Goker container. Right here, there's a container, and in here is a Barbie doll, and she is covered in pink paint. And she also has secret clothes, secret hair. She has it all. So what we're gonna have to do is take her accessories out. Wow. As a child, Barbies make me feel better, but you don't even wanna know how much it makes me feel right now. There's a lot of stuff in here. I think I have so much built up aggression in my body that I would open this in seconds, but no. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pop her into this container. We're gonna fill this up with warm water, and then we're gonna shakey shake, and then the grand reveal is here. And whatever comes out, if I like it enough, okay, because I have options. If I like her enough, if I like her look enough, because I see some bright colors and I'm in the mood for bright colors, I'm gonna do a look inspired by my new best friend. Do you ever stress about what your true identity is? Me too, girl. I said it before, I'll say it again. If you're like, this girl's sick in her mind, she's joking around. Joking and making jokes is my coping mechanism, okay? I need to joke around to get over this. So bear with me, okay? Toys were not this fun when I was around. God, okay. Here we go. We'll have a name for her soon. Let's find out who comes out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, she's already melting. I don't want to see it yet. Oh my God, this is a pinkity drinkity. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, oh my God, is that an alpaca? Look at the beauty. Included in the Barbie doll house is this little pouch right here with a little sponge. And now they say that if you wet the sponge with cold water, you can add highlights. So let's do it. Oh my God, I feel like I'm 7 years old again. Hi, welcome to the salon, ma'am. Oh my God. Do you think there's makeup underneath? No, they wouldn't. Oh my God, lipstick is coming. Lipstick is coming. What is this sorcery? Oh my God, this is the best therapy a person can ask for. All right, so before we get to the colors of our new best friend, it is time for that perfect, flawless Barbie doll base. The first product I'm gonna go in with is, of course, primer, because not to prime, oh God, wrong timing is a crime. Now, because these dark circles are living their own life on my face, it is time to get rid of them. I am going to color correct using the Dragon Beauty Dragonfire Skin Perfecting Potion. Damn, you know you've had a rough week when your dark circles pierce through the orange. For foundation, I'm gonna take the most full coverage one I own, and that is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Matte Foundation, and I'm using the color 720 Bali. Let's bounce away the feelings. Time for some necessary concealer. Oh, I've never been so happy to wear concealer in my life. And now I'm setting my face using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Setting Powder in White Sands. Okay, now let's find out what type of hair we have in store for our new best friend. Wig! Stop it! This is me! Oh God. Oh my God, how do you put this on? Ah. Oh. 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 A beauty queen. We're gonna brush you out a little bit. That hair color? Oh, Brett Mondo is shook. All right, so for the eye look, let's take some inspiration from her beautiful Tiffany blue bathing suit. So this right here is the lovely wig that our Barbie doll got. So what I want to do is take this color, this sort of Tiffany blue teal color as the main inspo, and then add flavors of pink and lilac and lavender, that's the same, and just one cotton candy unicorn realness. First, let's prime. The first color I'm gonna go in with is by this Obsessed palette by Pinky Rose Cosmetics, and I'm taking this shade right here called Sisters. I really wanna look like a human Barbie doll hybrid at the end of this, so we're gonna have some fun. It feels good to be here. It feels good to sit here, play with makeup, and truly have my escape. I know this is gonna sound so silly to most of you, but makeup has always been this escape for me. It has been this way of clearing my thoughts, of getting everything in place in my mind, and it is what I so desperately need in this time, at this moment. But I'm not gonna lie, it is so hard. It is gonna take a lot of time for Dylan and myself and our family and friends to grow from this and to keep going with life, even though life does not hold back. My best friend Linda recently got the call that she has breast cancer, and it's like, when is it enough? You know, when is life gonna be like, okay, you're good people, here's some good things. Every time you're like, okay, we're on the right path again, we're doing great again, life comes knocking at your door and it busts you down. This week has been a lot for all of us, and it feels good to just take a Tiffany blue eyeshadow and forget about the world for a couple of hours. Because I'm gonna take as much time as I want with these shadows and this look, because it's It's signing off for a little bit. I am winging out this Tiffany shade because Barbie, we're gonna go dramatic. Using these P. Louise Acid Rains, I'm gonna be mixing the colors Blank Canvas and Extra Spicy to come up with a baby soft pink. Now I'm diving into the Peachy Queen Amethyst palette, and I'm taking this color, this right here, and I'm gonna set that pink because I need some shine. Now let's apply a crazy wing to take us off of this planet. That should do it. Now let's also extend that inner corner. Okay, and before we move on to the lower lash line, I'm just gonna take this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Pyro and just lining the bottom of my brow as well as the cut crease. Ooh. Yes. For the lower lash line, I'm taking the Ace Beauty Oceanic palette and I'm taking this color. And I want to focus it mainly on the outer portion of the lower lash line. It's gonna go all the way through, but I want it the most here. So we're just going in with it, applying it, creating a new inner corner, and then really giving it a big smoke out here. And that outer portion, really taking it down. Okay, now I take some liquid white liner to open up that new inner corner. And that's about all I'm gonna do with the shadows. I know it's not too much, but I think the lashes and the overall look are really gonna pull it together. So I'm gonna do some lashes and the other eye off camera, and then let's find out what's for cheeks and lips according to our new best friend's outfit. Florals in summer are groundbreaking. Sweetheart, you look so good, mama. Oh, you look so good, honey. Okay, the lashes are done, and don't these eyes match perfectly with her hair? And I feel like this is a makeup look this queen could totally wear. Now it is time for blush and lips. So what I'm gonna do is apply a more peachy orange blush to the cheeks first. I'm creating a mixture between these two right here. The more peachy one is by H&B Cosmetics. It's Dare to Be Different blush in Self-Made. And this, oh my God, look at that. This is by Flower Nose, and this is a blush called Alluring Daylight. Honey, if this is the daylight, I love it. So I'm making a mixture between the two. We're gonna place this high up on the cheek, creating that lift, creating that color, and giving it Barbie realness, honey. Ooh. Also gonna do some blush on the tip of the nose. Also gonna place that on the bridge of the nose, right on top. And now time for some light in the darkness, because God knows we need it. I'm gonna highlight my face, really concentrate most of the glow right here. What toys did you guys play with when you were younger? As a kid, I always played with my Barbie dolls. I played with my Furby. Oh my God, Pokemon cards, Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Comment down below what toys you played the most with as a kid, because I wanna see what the differences are per country. To get the real plastic fantastic vibes going, I'm taking my white liquid liner and placing some highlighting dots. Come on, Juno Birch realness. I just love how the longer I sit here and dive into this makeup world, the more my mind is coming to peace and cooling down. Thank you. All right, last pouch. Oh, heels, honey. She got heels. Oh, it fits like a glove. Cinderella, eat your heart up. RuPaul's Drag Race, start your engines. Please welcome to Temple Tutorials, Lavender Tutorials. But if you have a better name, comment it down below. I have decided to make the lips the color of her heels, hot pink. For this, I'm using the Haus Laboratories Le Monster Matte Lip Crayon in the color Hot Rod. This is the perfect Barbie pink. And that, guys, is my completed look inspired by Lavender Tutorials. I went for more of a pink dream so I can be Pink Tutorials and be her pink sister. I had so much fun finding out about the color reveal Barbies and literally putting my mind off of things because life is really unfair, but it is up to us to keep fighting every single second of the day. My dear Glow Babies, I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. I want to thank you for being there for us, for giving us time, for respecting us and having our backs. In life, the most important thing is health, family, and friendships. I am so beyond grateful to be able to sit in my studio today and film a brand new video for you guys like nothing ever happened. Because makeup will always be therapy to me, and I want to thank you for providing a platform where I can truly be me and let go of all fears. I love you so much, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.